Why you want my name? Why? I ain't want it for nothing.
I want to send you a Christmas card.
I've asked for a supervisor at least 20 times. Not one has been called. They still got us falsely in prison.
Ran in the house and ran back out, right?
Running in the house and running out is reasonable suspicion to stop somebody.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to the LackLuster channel. This is Abadonia Ben Israel. Him and his wife were stopped by the Chicago Police Department after a short visit with their friend. As you will soon see in the video, they made a stop, ran into a house, and came out too quickly for the officer's liking. This sort of come and go visitation obviously implies to them that they are involved in the purchasing of narcotics. It is also implied in the video that instead of flipping on the cherries and berries licensed sirens and pulling the couple over in a normal fashion, that these officers pulled in front of the vehicle, nearly causing a traffic accident. No citations were given. And the man in the video did not ID himself, protected from unlawful searches and seizures by the Fourth Amendment of the Constitution, and flexing his rights. It seems as though the officers in this video have no regard for civil rights. And in my opinion, the way that these officers play games about identifying themselves as officers is infuriating. Thinking it's funny, it shows how disconnected law enforcement officers and the public are. Thank God for cameras. Because if Adonia was not recording, only the Lord knows how this interaction would have played out. Always film your interactions with public officials and know your rights. Here's the video.
What's your name and badge number? What is your name and badge number?
But you're being audio and video recorded.
Okay, what's your name and badge number?
From the very beginning.
What's your name and badge number?
I think you.
What is your you gotta judge that?
Can you read?
Could you please tell me your name and badge number?
Can you read?
Could you please tell me your name and badge number, sir? 5923. And what's your name, sir?
5923.
And what's your name?
15923 is my badge.
And what's your name?
You want to find out who I am? You can use that.
What's your name?
You want to?
So you are refusing? Okay, fine.
I gave you
What's
my
your
badge.
name and badge number, sir? Neither one. Okay, that's fine. They have both refused to give me their name badge number. They pulled us over for nothing. They come here. They want to take me out of the vehicle. I want your name.
My name is on my vest.
And verbally speak it. What's wrong?
It's on the vest.
So you won't be convicted of killing me?
My name is on my vest.
What is your name? You can state it. Do you tell the judge that? They pulled in front of me and my, look at this. They pulled in front of our vehicle. They came over here and tell me to get out of the car. For what? I haven't done anything. I did not commit a crime. You are violating my rights. What reason are you asking me to step out of the vehicle? What have I done? Could you please articulate a crime that I have committed? Under those circumstances, am I constitutionally obligated to carry ID on me if I am not the driver?
You are by law, Illinois law.
No, that's bullshit.
It is not.
No,
bullshit.
it is.
And I'm just asking.
No.
Do you have ID?
It's not. For what reason? I don't have to answer questions. I plead the fifth. I have done nothing wrong. I do not answer questions. Another man, this is what they do. They want to kill us. That's all they want to do. Kill us all the damn time. That's it. They don't care. They just go sit here and hope that, please don't kill me, sir. I get out. I get out. Please just don't kill me.
I won't kill you.
Please don't. Please don't kill me. Fanny, please don't let them kill me. Please don't let them kill me, Fanny. Please don't let them kill me. Please. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
Hey man, promise.
No. I've done nothing wrong. They're searching me. What is going on? Okay, what's going on? I've done nothing. I'm trying to be agreeable.
Where's your license?
Why do I need one? So you gonna arrest me? Go ahead.
I told you.
Y'all something else, man.
Listen.
This is all we get from y'all.
What is your name?
Why you wouldn't pull on no white motherfuckers like this for nothing? You wouldn't go in the white neighborhoods and do this shit. No, man. We tired of this shit. That's all you do is fuck with us. You need to be ashamed of your goddamn self. And he don't give a fuck, you white fuck. You don't give a fuck, and you were right there along with them. You need to be ashamed of yourself. No, man, I've done nothing to.
So you right?
No, you're a liar. You're a liar. She's 75 years old, and she could not get in there. Whatever, man. What you want to do?
You just said
what you want to do?
The car, right?
What you want to do?
On Union, right?
What you want to do, man? What you want to do? You pat me down. I don't have nothing. You unconstitutionally have stopped us. What reason did you stop her for? This is. I know you looking at me, Danny. Don't let him be all in the car and stuff.
Why are you so upset?
No, man, because this is why. You know what's going on? No.
You not giving me your name?
For what?
You got out the car. Why not give me your name?
Why not? Why do I am I constitutionally obligated to? Fanny, don't talk to him. Fanny, don't answer no questions, honey. Don't answer nothing. Y'all, this is what they do to us. Look, this is what they do to us, y'all. They stop us for nothing and then find a way to fuck us over. I'm tired of this shit. Cause my skin color. You got on that badge so it don't affect you. You don't give a fuck if they kill us. You have me out here in the fucking rain for nothing. You need to be ashamed of your goddamn self. My car door getting wet and every goddamn thing. Y'all do anything to us. You don't give a damn. No. Leave me alone. I haven't done anything. I'm tired of this shit. I'm tired of this shit. All the time. Brother, record. Don't let them kill me, brother. Don't let them kill me. Please record, ma'am. They stopped me for nothing, bro. They stopped me for nothing. They stopped us for nothing. Bullshit. I can't believe this type of shit. Y'all ain't got nothing. Just stop somebody for nothing. What type of shit is this? I'm calling. I bet you I'll go file a complaint. I will not allow this to happen. Officer Anderson, me and you got the same last name. Probably kinfolk.
So what's your name? First name?
Don't matter.
You said
I ain't want it for nothing.
Halfway there, we got your first name.
So what, man?
Last name.
I was just making a point. Why you want my name? Why? I ain't want it for nothing.
I want to send you a Christmas card.
Man, see this shit? See this shit? You see this shit?
Listen, man.
You see this?
I can't talk to you.
You want Sunday? This amazing, man. Man, we tired of this shit, man.
I can't talk to
This
you.
don't make sense.
I can't talk to you if you way up here,
This
man.
don't make sense. And where you want me to be?
I
Huh?
can't talk.
Do you see how we're being killed?
I want you
Do
to
you
calm
see
down
that?
so I can talk.
Do you see how they killing us? Huh?
Calm down so I can talk.
You don't care about that. I don't care about you.
I care about the matter at hand so I can discuss
It ain't no matter. There is no matter. You pull in front of our vehicle, I'm being falsely imprisoned. I'm being detained for no reason. Me and my wife are falsely imprisoned for nothing.
Sir?
You can't do that to people. Because we black.
Your wife has her driver's license back, and I told her what she needs to do to get the car right.
Man, so what I do? Why am I the damn vehicle?
No one's being in prison.
Yeah, I am being in prison. Why would you pull in somebody's front of vehicle like that?
No, there was a slow roll.
No, it was bullshit.
Understand this.
Fanny, don't say nothing. They'll entrap you. They kill old black women too.
That's happening too, man. I missed that one.
Oh yeah. You see, you think that's funny, huh? You see this white fuck?
I think you're being ridiculous.
You see this white fuck right
I
here?
think you're being ridiculous.
These are motherfucking tyrants.
Parking the vehicle.
Tyrants.
On you. 117.
Tyrants.
46 unit. You understand?
No, there you go. Don't say nothing.
117, 46 unit.
I bet you'll be hearing about this. I've asked for a supervisor at least 20 times. Not one has been called. They still got us falsely in prison.
You ran in the house and you ran back out, right? But now,
No, don't answer no questions.
So now,
Do you
in that
think
receiver-
is that reasonable suspicion to stop somebody?
Yes.
Hell no, it ain't.
It is.
No, it is not.
It is.
Okay, so it's reasonable. So running in the house and running out is reasonable suspicion to stop somebody. Okay,
then you pull
all right.
off.
This is what these officers. This is they don't give a fuck.
So then,
Don't give a damn.
Right?
Fanny don't say nothing.
So we.
Look at this shit. Bunch of tyrants.
The reason why I pulled in front of you is because
No.
the car did not immediately
Falsely,
come to a stop.
brother, you can believe this. Hey, Fanny, watch this. Who is McCullum? Who is he to us?
So
Who is McCullum?
therefore, that's why I pulled in front of you.
Who work? Fanny, who is our attorney?
Right?
McCullum. You will be hearing from him.
Okay. do you-
On my mama, you go hear from him.
Incorrectly here.
Yeah, you don't even know who she is. You have no idea who this woman
I'm gonna
is.
let you go. You have any questions for me? Do you need a receipt?
You'll see.
She doesn't need a receipt.
I decided to end the video here, but there are a few more minutes of it. If you'd like to see it, go over to Adonia Ben Israel's channel and let him know I sent you. The link is down below. That concludes our video for today. Please subscribe and turn on all notifications so you never miss a video. If you're old here, like, share, comment down below what you think of this interaction, and consider a channel membership or merch to further support the channel. If you have an incident you'd like us to review, link it down below or contact us through the social media platforms linked in the description.